Hey guys, what's going on? I'm George and this is You Wanna Watch. This week's project is the Snap-on Torco-Meter. This is the TQ50A. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. Alright guys, this is the Snap-on Torco-Meter. It's not in terrible shape, but it's not in good shape either. It does work, I tested it. There's a lot of oxidization and some rust around the dial. A couple of the screws got some rust on there, and well, let's just face it, it's not as clean and nice as it could be. So I say we tear right into this. Feels like something's want to explode out of here. Never taken one of these apart before. Hopefully I don't ruin it. Shit. Okay. I'm starting to understand this a little bit better. That BB though, I wasn't expecting that. That goes right here on this little detent. That's for the clicker, I believe. So let me set all this stuff aside here. Alright. Oh, that's exactly the look I was going for. Not that look. Pretty shiny, huh? Alright. Let's get this thing put back together, hopefully. So that little detent there doesn't go missing. Alright, so I got a socket in the vise. I'm going to see 40. try it that way. Yep, she works good. That's about right. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Alrighty guys, we're all done with the Snap-on TQ50A. I'm quite happy with it. We buffed the high gloss out. We gave it a wire finish on the back and then buffed that out. We got all the surface rust off that dial, buffed that out. That came out pretty good. I'm quite happy with it. I'm sure somebody else will be too. Like always guys, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another video. Bye.